Hello, my name is Wyatt Harrell. I'm a technical consultant at Intellius. We are an Infor Alliance partner consulting firm. And today I'm here to talk to you a little bit about leveraging Adobe Acrobat combined with document templates in HR Talent in order to export fields from the system to any PDF, so any contract or really any business document that you might require. So starting with Adobe Acrobat, what you'll need to do is take any PDF, hit Edit, prepare a form, and then you can drag these text fields over, which I've already done, as you can see here. You drag these text fields over, and these are directly fields from the system. Now we're using an internal candidate doing some transition management, but you'll right-click into Properties. And the box pops up. You type in the name of your field and the name and tooltip, and then you do it for the rest of them, like I did here. Hit Save, and then we'll go into the system, and we will upload our document template. So the document template can be found under the HR Admin web app under Transitions, Components, Document Templates. And you can see our fake employee contract. I already have the personal information form PDF uploaded, good to go. And this document template is attached to a transition form. Personal information. You can see our fake employee contract document template there. And this form is attached to a task. EMP personal info. So you can see the form here, personal information. And now we can go ahead and test it. So this task has already been assigned to my test employee. In order to reach this form, we're doing some internal candidates, so transition management. So it'll be on the employee profile, under work, my programs. So open up the personal information form. I've already filled out this information. Basically, all I'll have to do is hit I agree, next. It'll skip to the end, but go back to the personal information form and print to PDF. And as you can see, the forms came, or the fields rather, came right from the transition form to the PDF. Now this is just a mock-up test example. Obviously it'll look a lot cleaner in the real system, but if you have any questions on document templates or leveraging Adobe Acrobat or really any other tips and tricks within Infor, please feel free to reach out to Intellius. Thank you.